Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the password on your Zowill door lock. First, find the reset button on the interior panel. Press and hold it for approximately 5 seconds until you hear a confirming beep. This crucial step clears all previous user codes, preparing your lock for new settings. It's a simple process to ensure your security is up to date and personalized. Next, you will set your administrator code. Input the default administrator code, which is usually 123456, and then press the pound key. This action confirms the default code and transitions your lock into programming mode. You'll notice a visual or auditory cue, like a flashing light or a series of beeps, indicating it's ready for further commands. Now, let's add a new user password. Press the 1 key, followed by the pound key. Then, enter your chosen new user password. Remember, this code should be between 4 and 10 digits for optimal security. After entering your desired sequence, press the pound key one more time to confirm and successfully save your new user password into the lock system. Finally, it's essential to test your new password. Try it out several times to ensure it works perfectly before relying on it. Always write down your new password and keep it in a secure, private place. For your safety, never share your door lock passwords with anyone who shouldn't have access. These simple steps help maintain your home's security effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.